Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and to do it, simply press the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called About and tap on it, then scroll down, find the line or option called SN, and this is our serial number here. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. If your smartband is also paired with a phone, you can check the serial number on the phone by using the phone Huawei Health application. So let's bring our phone right here, open the Huawei Health on our phone that is paired with our smartband, then tap on devices, select the Huawei Band 7 from the list, scroll down, tap on device information, and here we have the serial number of our smartband. And that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.